This is my best friend Zay's room, and listen, he's had 15 years worth of life stuffed into this one space. The room's small, the furniture's old, and honestly, he just can't afford to start fresh right now. Me and Zay have been boys for years, so I know how much he really needed this reset. Life gets heavy, responsibilities add up. Sometimes your environment just traps you in old habits. I always say changing your environment is the easiest way to change old habits, and it all starts with your living space. So today, with under $500, I'm building one of my best friends his dream room. This is one of my biggest projects yet, and easily the most meaningful. So let's go flip this entire room on a budget that's a lot more affordable. Come on. All right, y'all, so we're back at Zay's house and it's time to fully deep clean. We're trying to get the desk out of here and clean as much mess as possible. We also got a closet organizer from Canadian Tire, so the closet's gonna get redone today. Beyond that, we got bed risers and then the new desk to bring in, which was my old desk from my previous setup. So we're hoping to get all that done today and then hopefully maybe clean up the rug. And if all goes well, then maybe even change out these bed sheets, because I do have like 4 different sets that I never plan on using again. So yeah, we're gonna try and recycle as much as possible, but still make this room look unique and fit Zay's vibe. He's currently running through a lot of nostalgia because
I got a whole lot of vibes, bro. A lot of it.
Found all of these games.
Yes, Spider-Man 2, Goated, the original Assassin's Creed, bro.
You got his old phone. Where's that at? You got?
Oh, right here, bro. Yo, nah, you're gonna be making fun of me, bro. The blue.
Oh my God, what brand is that?
Don't worry about it, bro.
Blue?
It's called Blue, bro.
Oh, it's by LG though.
Yeah.
Okay. I had an LG slide phone.
I got cooked for this in high school so bad when I put up with the blue.
Oh, see, yeah. I got. No, I understand that. I got the iPhone by high school.
Yeah.
Because that was when like the Android memes worked.
Or like premium. It was a prime. And I pull up with the blue. No.
But yeah, I'm gonna try and show you guys as much of the progress as we get things done. Check back in with y'all in a few.
So long story short, I'm making Dre lift my desk. My desk hasn't been moved in 15 years and I'm terrified. So like a centipede came out or something, I don't know what I do.
Oh damn, yeah, there's some garbage back there.
Nah, that ain't it.
There's definitely a cobweb on there.
No, don't even say that.
Nah, it's probably dust bunnies.
It better. I'm about to run out this room, about to drop this camera. Yo, that's crazy. My childhood desk, bro.
Wow, look at all that.
I know, bro. That's all from League of Legends, bro. That's like them League of Legends market.
No trackpad, eh? Devious, you're ripping through the wood.
Serious in the top lane, bro. I don't know what to tell you, gang.
Don't worry about the mess in that corner yet.
Yeah, no, I'm scared of that.
Yeah,
I'm scared of that.
It is looking very, very empty compared to what we started with.
It's been a long time coming. It was quick though. It was not quick.
It was not quick.
It's a long time coming.
Yeah. The plan from here is throwing out the desk, the old desk, and then grabbing some more stuff from my house. Of course, this is a budget transformation, so I have a bunch of other decor that I brought over here, and we're just gonna try and get at least the base done here. The desk area, getting that cleaned. Tuesday, I think we're gonna probably pick back up after we get the desk and the closet. After those 2 big things, we get those out of the way. Then Tuesday, we're gonna come back, handle this, do this area. Guys, we're gonna go throw out this desk here and then we'll catch y'all once it's time to get some more progress. You guys can see what time it is.
It's tough, bro.
We finally got it clean enough to bring the desk in.
So y'all, I don't know how to do this whole vlogging thing that you be doing where you be holding the camera. I've been getting exposed a lot during this. Not a fan, but you know, sometimes pressure bust pipes and sometimes the pipes need to be busted. So right now, Dre's gonna put what is it called? Monitorizer, yeah, that's monitorizer, whatever it is. This thing. Hold on. I'm not good at this whole YouTube thing, bro. I used to run a mean Minecraft channel back in the day, though. Mean Let's Plays, bro. I'm telling you. That's sick. Bro, that looks crazy. Right? Been an eye-opening experience. See, cause I don't be home a lot when I do. I'm in and out. You know what I'm saying? I'm boop boop boopity bop, and I've been here for 15 years in this room. So you know, you just get so used to shit that like you don't really take it in like to what extent it is. Now that because my dear friend Andre has forced me to do this, it's a very eye-opening experience, bro. I'm glad I can have a clean room now.
Yeah, man. Shout out to the Make-A-Wish Foundation for making
yeah, I was already giving you your flowers, gang. So you had to come in and say some bullshit, man.
We're gonna have to
yeah, you can take those off, bro. That's fine.
I was gonna say wipe down the base of your monitor.
Yeah, we're going to make it over. Yeah, they can't see that from here though.
Hey, can they see it from here?
Stop, gang.
Can y'all see it from here?
See what I'm talking about? He did not need to show that. He could have just tried to support it. Well, actually, it's so clean. Like, bro, lie for the content.
Yeah, I don't do that, bro.
Lie for the content.
Y'all know that I would never lie to y'all. Y'all my family. It's already like starting to look good, and we haven't even like
no, it's already looking 10 times better.
really done much. So yeah, we're gonna continue working on getting this desk set up and ready. And once it is, the next step is the closet. So I'll give you a few clips once I have it finished.
30 minutes. Realistically, only took 30 minutes.
Well, y'all probably caught the tail end of that. I thought it was gonna take me 45. Guess it took me a little bit less than that, but the closet is now complete. So the plan is getting all these clothes back in the closet. Then we can also get some more organization with these shoes now that we got the corner, we got the middle pieces.
And just for the record, we started at 8 o'clock. It is currently 1:30 in the morning, and we still got more work to do. Like, this feels like, bro, it really feels like I moved into a new crib. Wow, it's not even done yet, bro. It's just still the bones, but just
Job's not finished.
Job's not finished, bro. Like, the closet, like, yo, the closet, bro.
Right.
Like, what you talking about, right?
We'll be back here to get done the bulk of the work. We have like a bookshelf that's coming in here, light fixture, forget the rest. But there's a lot, a little bit of that,
poster.
yeah. I didn't document this change, but already.
The vibes are already improving. Like, this is crazy. I can sit here all day like this. This is lit.
But yeah, guys, we're getting there, so I'll check back in with you when it's time to get some more shit done. Guys, new fresh day. Got some energy going. And we're back at Zay's, if you can't tell by the background already. Right now, we're just getting started with
Braggy. Go Lions.
Got him some extra hangers. So right now he's just hanging up all the rest of the clothes that was like on this door, this little rack right here, everywhere.
Getting rid of the old plastic hangers.
Yeah, and just trying to get the room as clean as possible before we start making some more additions. All right, let's get to work, fellas. All right, y'all, we finished the closet area. It's looking clean. We're gonna handle the closet door in a little bit, but for now, it's time to switch out this light fixture finally. This ugly little booby light that everyone has for some reason. So the lights might be out. I don't know if I'll be able to get this clip, but that's what we're doing. So you guys have seen them before. You're about to see that after. It's gonna be so much better. Moment of truth, bro. You stay in here, I'll go 2, 1. Yes, sir.
Y'all talking about, twin? Okay.
All right, so now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna get the Govee app downloaded on your phone, and we'll get it set up. Okay.
You got a Bluetooth and a light?
Yeah.
What? Yo.
Yeah. But you guys can see the light set up. I'm gonna show them some of the cool features that this new bulb has.
Hate it.
And then, yeah, we'll move on to the next thing. Yeah. So essentially, like, you can pick from a color wheel and like dial in any color you want.
Yo, my light be changing color, bro.
Yeah.
Yo, I know you be on that family-friendly wave, so you gonna have to cut this. Y'all can get off my dick, nigga. I don't give a. You gonna have to cut it, bro. I don't care, bro. Oh, D. Okay, then.
Why'd you touch it like that?
Sometimes you just need to be tactile and be able to feel it, bro.
Oh, man. But yeah.
This is new to me, bro. This is new to me, bro. You don't understand. You know, you see me with the scarf on and little hat, bro, but this is new to me, bro. Yeah. I know I look like the kind of guy who used to this, but this is new to me.
You don't look like the kind of guy.
Shut up, bro.
All right. Let's move on to the next thing. Thanks to Josh. Thank you, thank you. The chair is complete.
Oh, Zay, this is nice for you.
Guys, we are finally almost done with this entire room transformation, and I'm so excited for Zay to see the final results. But today is the last day. I got in some of the last few things to finish off the room, but right now I had to head out to Walmart to get a full body mirror, and I'm also gonna be on the lookout for at least 1 or 2 poster frames. And it's currently about 2 o'clock. Zay doesn't get off till about 5:30, so I'm gonna try and also go to his house and possibly finish the room before he gets home. So hopefully if I get these things done quickly, I'll be finished by the time he gets home, and then able to surprise him with the full polished results. Let's try and get this done fast. Somehow I forgot to bring my camera in, but I'm at Walmart right now. Secured the full body mirror. So right now, I think I might have to get some command strips because it doesn't look like there's anywhere to mount the mirror. I think that's the last thing I'm gonna grab because I got these for the posters, obviously this for the wall. The last thing I need is and strips. So we're gonna try and find that fast and then pick up the key from Zay and get as much done before he finishes work. All right, y'all. So I'm at Zay's, and honestly, I literally have like probably 45 minutes. This area built out, cleaned out, and get his new dresser in. And then I'm gonna try and get this closet door off, get the curtains up, and maybe a shelf or two. Yeah, I don't have much time, so we'll just see what I can get done in the time. All right, so guys, I finished everything up. Actually, crazy enough, just in time, because Zay hit me up and said he's like 2 minutes away. I think he's also coming with Josh, so that'll be interesting because Josh hasn't really seen too much of the progress, well, since he was here last, so it's gonna be interesting. Hopefully he likes it. You guys ready for this?
Yeah. Waiting for the grand reveal, bro. I'm trying to see it, bro. You ain't gonna count me down?
Nah. Just go ahead, bro. Just go ahead.
Yeah. Oh. Kaden!
It's even a big change from yesterday too.
This is what I was, bro. Nah. See, cause the picture.
That's
name
tough.
Another with the grass on the shelf, bro. Name one. Y'all can't. The full Beezy? No, stop it, bro. Hold on. Oh, and the curtains up. Okay. What y'all talking about, twin? Yo, the craziest part is last time I was in here, it wasn't that different. But like, oh, with that video, bro. What y'all know about this John right here, bro? No way. Anything's possible. What y'all talking about, twin? We did it.
We did it.
It feels so surreal right now. We did it. Oh, let's go, bro. Don't.
Job is finished. Job is officially finished.
Appreciate y'all coming on the journey. Just letting y'all know, all the husbands saw the dirty room. It ain't dirty no more. Let's not focus on the past. Let's build a future together. You know what I'm talking about? So, all I'm saying is, bro, all that's left is to get to work. Job's not finished. Big shout out to KBD. You know, none of this would have happened without him. Mind you, Hulk kept me great company, but sometimes Hulk gotta go bye-bye, bro. Oh my God, this is so cool. I'm trying to play this shit cool for the camera, but it's just... Man, make sure y'all like, make sure y'all subscribe, all that good stuff. Ladies in the comments, drop your number for them.
Not that, maybe just like an Instagram.
Yeah, Instagram, try the gram, you know.
Now guys, I'm back home, and I'd honestly have to say this is one of my most successful videos and transformations yet. I mean, for one, we stayed under that $500 budget with about $10 left to spare. Honestly, I might end up getting a McDouble combo for all my hard work. The fact that Zay's in love with this room, and the fact that he's probably gonna be a lot more productive in there makes me super happy with this whole project. I mean, guys, we put in about 3 days and probably close to 24 hours worth of work to clean, build everything, and style it up all nice. But I think it was all worth it in the end. I personally plan on doing a lot more transformations like this in the near future. So if you guys want to see that, please let me know by liking, subscribing, and leaving a comment down below. And of course, the holidays are coming up, so I'm trying to be as consistent as possible. So if you guys have any videos you'd want to see from me, please let me know down in the comments below so I can get those out for you guys while you're out on your holiday breaks. Anyways, guys, it is time for me to sign off. So as always, I hope you guys have a great day, and peace.